Hey guys, what's going on? Shuffle Zombie 13 here, and today we're back on the YogBox. So I see one of those creatures and I'm going to kill it. I think it's a werewolf. Come on, bro. Oh shit. Oh, you can suck my balls. Take that. Oh god, he's coming in. Guys, what is this thing? Oh, he's standing up now. Oh god. Eat that. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I backed up into something. My house. Why won't you die? Oh, chip. Chip, 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 chip. Screw this. I'm out of here. There it is. Why won't you die? Why won't you die? Ha Okay, guys. Sorry about that. That was kind of... You're very rude. Get. Okay, so guys, while I'm whacking this guy, I'll talk to you. So, nice, golden. Oh shit! So I did some more research and I found out a lot more stuff. But let's get this party started with this shit. Watch this, guys. Watch this. We're gonna take some regular wood, okay? Make some sticks. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Take out a wood sword, and guys are like, why are you making a wood sword? It's the worst weapon in the game. Well, I'll show you this. Check this out. Boom! Hey! Now check this out, guys. Now in this interface, I can choose a dagger, a sword, or a big sword. So now, I'm not that big guy who can just wreck people. And a sword sounds too, I don't know, regular. I want a dagger. Oh yeah! Check this out. Now I got haste too, and I have a freaking dagger. So this is, and it's a soul dagger. So now, as you guys can see, this is my new weapon. Oh yeah. So, whoa. We're gonna actually put this, oh yeah, and this never runs out. So, we're gonna put that back, and now, yeah, now today, we will actually be searching for another one of those towers. And we're gonna get more loot. So this guy's coming with me. I'm just kidding, guys. He's not coming with me. But these scorpions are actually spiders on steroids, and you shouldn't really mess with them. But since I got a dagger, I'm gonna mess with them. Okay, cool. Now, I plan to head this direction, but let me just first, boom, take a screenshot of those coordinates. Now let's head in this direction. Okay. So what do you guys want to talk about? I may sound a little, a little muffled. I have a little cold. I picked up, it's getting a little cold out here where I live, so, I'm not feeling so good. But I gotta record vids. Okay, now what the hell are you? I'm sorry. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay, guys, I need the food. Don't be mad at me. I need the food. Wait, I just want to try something. What is this? Okay. Yep. I'll show you that. I'll show you that to you guys in a second. Okay, so we got food now, and I lost my pants. Let me just turn this down. Okay, I have a heat heater going on, but I think I'm at a good temperature now, so I'm just gonna turn it off. So guys, right here in my dagger, I can hit R on it again, and I can level it up. So now it's leveled up, and now I can either pick a knockback or hardness on it. So I'm actually gonna put knockback on it. So I'm actually oh nice, watch this, guys. Now I can toss my dagger. So this is only a certain, I don't want to use up all my XP because I still need hearts, guys. I'm at 5 hearts. How am I supposed to do anything with that? Okay, so we're gonna try to get this dagger to be the most beast weapon on this planet. Okay. Go, go, go. Uh-oh, okay. So we have a jungle here. I'm actually gonna turn right. Okay. And look at that, it's swampland. Wow, okay, let's see. Let's pull up our mini map. Nothing right now. Except a desert. We're gonna head into the desert. Oh. What the fuck is that? God? Are you there, God? Oh, what that? I don't know what that was, but I'm actually pretty frightened right now. What the F is that? Okay, guys, I need some food. So I'm gonna pick up some food if that's okay. Oh God, what is that? Okay. Oh God! I'm leaving this place, guys. I'm scared. The voices are telling me to do it. But I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Look at this, a desert. Oh yeah, by the way, you can hit N. It tells you nearby villages, and yeah, I think those are my villages. So I'm not gonna go to those. Okay, now let's place down that. Make a few bowls, and yeah, we got some mushroom stew brewing now. Ooh, you can stack mushroom stew in this mod pack. Best mod pack. Oh, never mind, you can't. Damn it. It was just glitching. Okay, now I can sprint for a while longer. Come on. Give me a tower. Wait a second, what's that on the mini-map? Do you guys see that? What the fuck? Oh, never mind, guys, we found a village. Ew. How's it going, guys? Can I come in? Whew. Kidding. Okay. Oh! It's African American. No! Are you guys Hindus? I think we found us some Hindus, guys. Let me see what you trade. Damn it, you don't trade. Okay. Let's see in here. Okay. No one lives here. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, I think this is the main place right here, guys. Here we go. You'll be right there. How do you know me? I just met you for the first time. Okay, guys. So they have different shit. You see this? They have this stuff. Well, I'm gonna have to look up the Hindus. No offense, guys. It's your religion, but once we learn about the Hindus and what they do, we can trade with them and maybe get better stuff than the other people. And we might want to live here. And what is this? I don't want that. That's crap. Ooh, hello.